provided, then the lamp is on. Okay. Okay. Now I am negative source. When I 49 pins, then the lamp is on. So please check it. When I provided the coils power and relay is on, then the NC contact to NO contact. So disconnected the main lines AC voltage to 20 volt and off the lamp. Okay, when I source disconnected, then the automatically lamp is on. So this is very easy way. Just relay working two type, one NC and one 2 nong is NO. So I at first show you NO contact, and now I showing you NC contact. NC contact directly open the lamp, and when I power is relay based, then the main line off, or NC contact is NO contact. So disconnected the main lamp and main power and lamp off. Okay, now I disconnected the relay 12 volt DC source disconnect, then the automatically lamp is on. So I think you are understand about this process. Here I think you all processing system know about this relay. So every relay work just NO contact and NC contact switching. So relay is switching device. Always we know that relay is switching device. You can understand all time relay is switching device, and NC contact to NO contact and NO contact to NC contact. When relay power provided, then the NO contact already changing the NC contacted, and NC contact changing the NO contacted. Okay, when the power provided, then the lamp is on. That's when relay contact already NC contacted by the main AC 220 volt lamp line. So when I disconnected the 12 volt DC, then the lamp is on. That's mean it is connections already NC contact. So just two contact remained you about this relay, then you can gain the relays. Okay, so if you just remained two systems, then you can watch this relays working. So this relay is just supply and NO contact, NC contact. Just you remain that relay is switching device. Okay, thank you so much. So already checking it. Just I think you understand about this system. So dear all, আমি আপনাদেরকে বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করলাম ইংলিশে। তো আপনারা কতটুকু বুঝতে পেরেছেন আমি জানি না, বাট আমি চেষ্টা করেছি যথাসাধ্য মতো বোঝানোর জন্য। আমি আবার নতুন করে একটু বোঝাতে চাই, সেটা হচ্ছে এই রিলে সম্পর্কে আমি নতুন করে একটু কানেকশন করে আপনাদের বুঝিয়ে দিব। দেখি আপনাদের আমি বোঝাইতে পারি কিনা, আমি চেষ্টা করব বোঝানোর জন্য। এখানে আমি শুরুর থেকে লাইনগুলো আপনাদের আমি দেখিয়ে করব, কেননা এতক্ষণ আমি ইংলিশে বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করেছি, এখন আমি একটু বাংলায় বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করব। ওকে, তো সবাই একটু মনোযোগ সহকারে শুনবেন।